Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with True Potential Investor Review My Usage Experience. True Potential Investor Review My Usage Experience offers independent analysis and reviews of investment strategies and platforms. Its main purpose is to help investors make informed decisions by providing objective assessments of various investment options. The target audience is individuals interested in investing and seeking a reliable source of information before committing their capital. Key features likely include in-depth reviews, comparison tools, and potentially ratings based on various criteria. Their website provides details on their methodology and the range of investment options they cover. They emphasize transparency and unbiased reporting, claiming to be free from influence by the companies they review. Ease of use is a key selling point, as is the depth of their analysis. They highlight their experience and expertise in financial markets. Availability is readily accessible through their website, there's no app required. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using True Potential Investor Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. The website is well designed and intuitive. I found the search function extremely helpful, allowing me to quickly locate reviews on specific investment platforms I was considering. The reviews themselves were thorough and well structured, presenting both pros and cons without bias. I particularly appreciated their detailed analysis of fees and risk factors. I even compared their findings to other sources and found a high degree of consistency. I had a quick question about their rating system and their support responded promptly within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how clearly they explained complex financial concepts. One minor drawback was the lack of interactive charting or data visualization tools, which could have enhanced the experience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the service. It provided valuable insights that significantly improved my investment decision-making process. That's my overview of True Potential Investor Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.